International Year of Millet 2023. In this program, Gujarat government has organized a nice program at Vapi. It is a first Mahotsav in this area. We are hoping that the participant, all farmer, all users can get a good product from here. We are knowing that the millet is very important crop in our area. Also, we are looking for better health for the people. If millet is using by people, they are getting good fiber, and other disease will be reducing. And if grower also motivated by this type of program, this event is organized by government of Gujarat, and government of Gujarat is leading state in all over India. So we are hoping that the millet is growing more, and impact we will be getting in near future.